Jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't ever play it and the night is young. It doesn't matter what we do. Ain't nobody like. Ain't nobody like.
Hi everybody, I'm so excited for today's video because I'm taking you into Primark with me, and they've got their autumn collection in, which I think is the best part of the year, to be honest, because they've got so many cute things in and a really cute decor as well. So I'm really excited to show you everything that I've seen today in the shop. How cute are these little crossbody bags? They had these neutral ones and they were £9, I believe. And then they also had this set of like a cord, you know, with trousers and with a cropped blazer. I'm not sure how I feel about these, but it did look really cute. I'm not sure if I would wear it, but it looked really cute. And then they had this checked blazer. This was £25 and it looked like a really lovely jacket for autumn. And I really loved all of their displays. They had these wide leg trousers, which I have these. They're kind of like a jean. I have some similar ones that I got, I think, in H&M, but these were only £16 and they're such a versatile piece to have. So I really loved those. And then they had this checked jacket. I love all the jackets. I think I have one from 3 years ago that I got from Primark, and I still wear it every single autumn winter. I just love them so much. So they had this version in store today for £20. Then they had this kind of suede jacket. So cute as well. Nice little lovely coats. And I really loved their display on here with all the rusty shades and the checked scarves. They had these really cute faux suede trousers. I really loved the colors of these, and these were £13. And they also had these checked skirts, such cute colors for autumn. I think with just some tights and some maybe ankle boots, that would look like such a cute outfit for autumn. And these were £10 as well. And I really liked these boots. I think they go really well with the skirt too. Just really nice neutral shade of ankle boots for £17. Such a staple for autumn. And they had these super cute shorts for £10. I love these faux leather shorts. Again, I think with tights and boots and then a nice oversized knit, it would look so cute. They also had these blazers, but like sleeveless ones for £18, which I think would be a really nice layering piece as well. Love this cardi for £14. I really love the statement buttons on it. They had so many cute little oversized jumpers there. And how cute is this rust dress? I think it's such a cute piece, like a bit more of a statement piece, but I really like this shade for autumn. And how gorgeous is this autumn clothing display? I really loved this in the shop. They also had this checked cord, you know, with the blazer and the trousers. The blazer was £23. I think it had kind of a bluish tint to it. And the trousers are £15. But yeah, it's a really cute one. They also had this cord jacket as well for £20, which I think is such a cute piece, and it would be really lovely for those days when it's not too cold yet. They had bucket hats for £5. I'm not sure if I would wear these, but I think they do look cute, maybe on someone else. Oh, I loved this outfit they had on here. They had it on display as well. So £25 for this faux leather jacket, and then they had this ribbed knit dress. I love these types of dresses. I'm also pregnant at the moment, and I feel like these are really flattering, and a really nice layering piece as well with some boots. Yeah, they had the outfit styled on there. And then they also had in the basics section, they had quite a few of these jumpers. So some of them had a higher neck, some of them had just a round neck, some of them V-neck. I actually got some V-necks from here because they're such good staples, and they're £8. Lots of different shades to pick from. Yeah, so I picked a few of them because I just find these so soft and comfy. I really loved this orange shade as well. I think those were really cute for autumn as well. They also had these little cardigans, so they have so many of these kind of staple bits. Then I really liked this hoodie. It looked so comfy. This is for £10. A really lovely shade as well, and I really liked this grey one too. It's got kind of a zip at the front, and it's £14, and I actually picked this up because I thought it was so cute and such a nice layering piece. and they had a similar one for 14 pounds, a blue one, and they actually had loads of different colors in here. I did like this green one. I feel like it's a really cute one, but yeah, I usually don't go for colors like this. I'm more of a neutral kind of browns, beige, you know, that kind of thing. Nothing wrong with colorful though. And they also had these kind of chunky knit jumpers, which I think looked so cute. And they had these for 12 pounds in multiple colors as well. They had neutrals, they also had some brighter shades. So yeah, really quite a big selection of these jumpers. How cute are these cropped cardigans? These were 14 pounds. They had this kind of grayish shade, and then they also had it in a blue. They also had these more of an oversized style, and they had them in this pink shade, and also these striped ones. I really liked the striped one as well. I really like the statement buttons on it and the v-neck. I just think it looks really flattering, and it's just such a staple piece because it's monochrome. It goes with a lot of things, with some plain leggings maybe, or just black jeans. Really cute one. They also had similar cardigans in just a plain black or a plain cream, which I really liked. I actually have a very similar cardigan like this, and this one's 14 pounds, and I wear mine all the time as well. They also had these, I saw this on Instagram, but they have these Grags jumpers and items. Like, would you wear these? I'm not sure if I would, to be honest, but yeah, they did have these in the shop just in case you're looking for them. Oh, I really liked these hoodies that they have. They're like knit ones. So they have a hood on, they have this gray striped one, and then they have this white one with green stripes on it. How cute is this? I really loved this, and this is 14 pounds. More hoodies, but this is like a sweatshirt material. Really cute ones. They had these in so many different shades. So they had those plain ones. They also have these like mustard shade and bright orange, and I actually really like these colors for autumn. And then for those hoodies, they also have the matching joggers to go with, so you could go, you know, like a matching set, or you could mix and match, of course. And I believe the hoodies were 8 pounds and the joggers were 6 pounds, so that's quite a good deal on a matching, you know, cord set. They also had their staple, you know, just plain leggings, and they also had them in these kind of burgundy shades and grey as well. Quite a few of these cozy pajamas, like really fleecy ones for 9 pounds. So cute. I mean, who doesn't love a cozy pajama? I quite liked this workout set they had. It wouldn't fit me at the moment because I'm pregnant, but I really loved the rust shade. So the leggings are 10 pounds, and then the sports bra was 5 pounds. Such a cute set, I think. And then moving into the coats section, oh, they had such lovely staple coats, and most of them were around 25 pounds. So they had a black one, grays. I really love the gray one in here. I think it looks so classy. Like, I don't think you could tell this is Primark. They also had a grey checked one. They had, you know, beige, camel shades, just so many lovely shades for autumn. And I actually have a coat from Primark. I actually have a few of them that I got maybe 2 years or 3 years ago, and I still wear it every single winter because I just love them so much. Oh, and they also had these really lovely fluffy jackets. I have one of these very similar one that I got, I think from Tesco's actually last year, and I wore mine so much. So they have similar ones in here too this year. They had these UGG style boots for only £7. I actually quite like this. I know it's kind of a Marmite thing, so you might not love these at all, but I do quite like these, and yeah, I think they would be really cute for those days when it's not super rainy, because obviously you would get soaked in them. And then moving into the home section, oh my goodness, their autumn selection was so good this year. I feel like they had loads of these little candles in like a pine cone shape. I think that's like a rope thingy. So lovely. I really loved the shades in here. Like, you also get neutrals, you also get a pop of color. Yeah, so many lovely ones. And they also had the ceramic pumpkins and ceramic fruit as well. So they had this pear and apple. The little pumpkins were £2.50, and a lot of these little candles were also like £2.50 or £3. Yes, so many gorgeous shades of candles. They also smelled really lovely too. And then they also had loads of baskets. Like, I love the basket selection because I feel like they're quite inexpensive and they look really lovely too. They had an autumn wreath, and I believe this was £10. So really cute if you want to put something on your door. And they also had this pampas, or like dried grass, dried bunny tails, and these were around £1.50 to £2. So cute to make like a little dried flower arrangement. Yes, so I hope you've enjoyed coming into Primark with me today. Let me know if you're going to the shop, if there's anything specific you're looking for. But yeah, I do hope you've enjoyed this. I hope you're having a lovely day, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.